Hi guys, Hannah here. So today I'll be playing some Try Not to Rage Quit Part 2. So, yeah. Try Not to Rage Quit Part 2, baby! Whoop. Yeah, I know this one, the message. I practiced this one. Well, there's invisibility. I just bought invisibility. Look. Wait. There's people who made it. What the heck? Why didn't you wait? Okay, pro girl. I mean boy. I think you're a boy. Wait. Yeah, he's a boy. I clearly see by my own eyes. I have quite a lot of stages more to oh. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes. I love this one. I love this one actually. Like this one's my favorite. Watermelon sugar. Yeah, just go like that, girl. Like a lot of people spend time on that. Like that's so hard. And that's for us who knows Skillet for a very long time. Well, I have played TOH like in like almost a year, I think. Wait. It's only like I don't know. Like I played Roblox in like last year, so only last year though. Like, why didn't I play this sooner? Like, what are you even doing with your life? Excuse me. I don't know what I was doing in my life when I didn't have Roblox. Like, YouTube all day. Yes. I mean, YouTube is a really fun app too. Okay, I'm gonna make it. Hello there, people. I'm gonna make it. Wait, do I speed? Almost. They almost made it to the top, she said. And he said, hey, Barjo, woo! Woo! Okay, I made it 2 times in a row. Okay, let's just, did I buy invisibility? What? Or do I still have 1,000 money? No, I'm not gonna go. I don't know. Did I have 600? I knew I had this amount of money before. My really record of making it is a minute. Like I counted there. It was a minute. Like I didn't have enough footage. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm not crying today. I don't know why I'm raging. It's like hard for me to rage today. Like why not when I was vlogging? Suspicious body, suspicious. My body is so suspicious today. Like it has feelings. Okay, yeah. Basically, girl, you ain't thinking. Just like go in a loop. Like, yeah. Like the wall, yeah. Ooh, girl. No, go watch out. Girl, you need to step up your game a bit. Nobody. Yes, Lord. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna make it, but you know, let's just give it a shot. If I make it into oh, I didn't know there was. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. I thought there was invisibility. Like you didn't see a shield. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't really care, cause I don't care. I don't know, why am I not raging? Like, why? Maybe I got new clothes, or maybe it's my birthday tomorrow. Yep, it's my birthday tomorrow. I'm so excited. Man, I was about to die. Mate, I was about to die. I don't know what's with me, but I love Australia. I hope this gets a lot of views, because my dream job was to be a YouTuber and a gamer, actually. A gamer, and I love YouTube, so why not combine both? Like, why not? Ow, girl. Oh, I'm always gonna go to 20. I really want to go to 20. Why do they even have fusion coils? Like, the game just started. Maybe it's just me glitching. Oh, I know this one. I literally hated this one. Oh no. See, I always go in this corner, like, all the time. Waiting for my time to shine. And go out in the open. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh no, oh no, oh no, no. Oh no. Oh girl, okay. Oh no, okay. Yes! Yeah, girl, yes! Okay, there's no invisibility, there's no invisibility, okay? Girl, if you, like, think, oh no. Girl. I'm happy. Okay, I have only one life, so... Okay, I only have one life, so yeah. There's no chances, okay? No screaming, banging, hitting something, whatever, like, considered... Wait. Okay, no. You know what? I actually want to try... that probably does. Because, like, you know... Bam. Well, it didn't work for me. Okay, let's go to those towers, actually. In my last footage, like, I didn't actually, like, you know, finish that footage because I only have 15 minutes to live. I think it was in this footage, or this footage, I don't know. I forgot it. I forgot. It was the other footage that I deleted. No, I was gonna share that with my friends. See, to let them see who's the boss, you know? Like, I'm good at Tower of Hell, like, yay, I'm good at Tower of Hell, and you're not, like, not like that, but, like, to show them, like, I'm a pro. Like, I'm a pro, oh my gosh. But, my friend Clayne knows that I'm actually a pro, because we always play together, like, in TOH. Yeah, we always play together. Almost died there. Nice. Ooh, this man has Robux, or maybe just. I love those, like, clothing. I had one of those clothing in the Pihanna one. Or is it? I think it was in the Pihanna. Yeah, it was. I think. I forgot. But I think it's in that one because it was my first time having Robux in this account. But I have another account which is Pihanna 2010, which I I didn't delete it, but you know, I wanted Robux for Overlook Bay, which is from Megan and Honey, which is my favorite YouTubers of all times. So yeah, just do this and do this and do this and do this and do this, and you're okay. Oops, good girl, good girl. It's like blinding. Yay. Oh, bye. Yes. All you have to do in that is like press W, like, and if you're there, like, then you're good to go. Like, oh my gosh, like, why didn't I notice that like a couple months ago? Like, I just noticed it because, like, I don't know, I just noticed it. Did you notice that? Red on red. Oh, there's. I know this one. This is my easy one, like my first easy one. Oh, girl. How do I do this? See? Like, what the heck? I think I wanna rage, but I don't wanna. But I didn't rage and it's max time now, so that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching till the end. If you got in the end, I don't know, leave a like or something, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified from my next video. Yeah, to see this noob, like, I hate myself, like, I'm a noob. Okay, so I wish you good luck, guys. Bye bye.